A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling that could reshape the landscape of gun rights in America, the Supreme Court has overturned a lower court decision from Pennsylvania that permitted residents aged 18 to 21 to carry firearms in public during declared states of emergency. This decision, made on Tuesday, has sparked a wave of reactions across the political spectrum as it touches on the contentious issue of Second Amendment rights and the regulation of firearms among younger adults. The ruling comes in the wake of a federal appeals court finding that Pennsylvania's law, which barred individuals aged 18 to 20 from open carrying firearms during emergencies, was unconstitutional. The appeals court had ruled that the law violated the Second Amendment, which guarantees the right to bear arms. However, the Supreme Court's decision effectively nullifies that ruling, sending the matter back to lower courts for reconsideration. The justices did not provide an explanation for their ruling, nor were there any noted dissents, leaving many to speculate on the implications of this decision. This ruling is particularly notable as it arrives amid a national conversation about gun control and the rights of young adults. Advocates for gun rights argue that individuals who are legally allowed to vote and serve in the military should also have the right to carry firearms. On the other hand, gun control advocates warn that allowing younger individuals to carry weapons, especially during emergencies, could lead to increased risks and potential violence. The Supreme Court's decision has reignited debates over the balance between individual rights and public safety. In Pennsylvania, the law had been challenged on the grounds that it unfairly restricted the rights of young adults, many of whom are legally permitted to own firearms. The Third U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals had previously ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, stating that the state failed to demonstrate how the age restriction aligned with historical norms regarding gun ownership. The Supreme Court's ruling now requires the appeals court to re-evaluate the case, potentially leading to further legal battles over the rights of young gun owners. The implications of this ruling extend beyond Pennsylvania, as it sets a precedent that could influence similar laws in other states. Legal experts suggest that this case could ultimately lead to a broader interpretation of the Second Amendment, particularly regarding the rights of younger individuals. Meanwhile, the political ramifications of this decision are already being felt, with various advocacy groups mobilizing to either support or oppose the ruling. Gun rights organizations are celebrating the decision as a victory for individual liberties, while gun control advocates are expressing concern over the potential for increased gun violence among younger individuals. As the nation grapples with the complexities of gun legislation, this ruling serves as a reminder of the ongoing debate over the Second Amendment and the rights of young adults. The Supreme Court's action has raised questions about the future of firearm laws in the United States, particularly as the 2024 elections approach. Candidates from both parties are likely to weigh in on this issue, as it resonates with a wide range of voters. In the broader context of American politics, this ruling comes at a time when gun control remains a divisive issue. With recent mass shootings and ongoing debates over gun legislation, the Supreme Court's decision could have lasting effects on how states regulate firearms and the rights of their citizens. As the case returns to the lower courts, all eyes will be on Pennsylvania and how this ruling will influence future legal battles surrounding gun rights and regulations. The Supreme Court's ruling not only affects the immediate situation in Pennsylvania, but also sets the stage for potential changes in gun laws nationwide. As the conversation around gun control continues, this decision will undoubtedly be a focal point for lawmakers, advocates, and citizens alike. The future of gun rights for young adults hangs in the balance as the legal ramifications of this ruling unfold, making it a critical issue to watch in the coming months. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.